So, how to make trading even more simplistic than I'm already making it, right? Hold on. OFX was popping. So, how to? I know the title is kind of weird, but and I kind of did bite off of Nick Sean with it. I'm not gonna lie. If you go watch his videos, you'll see he says stuff like this. But it's kind of true. Like how to make money in day trading without really having a strategy. When I say that, I'm not necessarily saying that I'm just gonna buy and sell at random places. What I'm saying is that the first step is to have an overall trend. Okay, have an overall trend, overall direction in the market, and then once you have that, you start to look for trades that are going to follow in the direction of the trend, and that's it. So we're buying when prices is going up at any support level, okay, and then prices going down. We're selling at resistance levels, and that's kind of it. And it's so simplistic that it's almost like, is it really a strategy? Like, does it even qualify to be a strategy since it's that simplistic? So first off, let me show the trade that I called out this week. That was a win. I think it's been 3 weeks now. We haven't lost. We have 4 trades in 3 weeks, haven't lost. 6 views. Look at that. Crazy, huh? And then called out buys right here. Okay. Called out buys right here. So it was this one right here. Now, if we go to the daily, you can see what I was looking at. Overall, we can see that price was in this bearish channel. We had to push up, retested the channel, higher low, push up, higher low, push up, higher low, and then we had a break out of this channel right here, retest, bang, that was it. I called out those trades, but I do take trades by myself. So I like calling out the best quality setup that I can find to the chat. I don't want to call out all the setups that I take because I don't want to have any losses in the chat, if that's possible. This is the setup that I called out for the chat. It won, great. I also took this setup, and I also took a setup right here. Okay, so I took basically what that looked like in time was the same analysis, right? Price is going up, so I want to buy. I took buys right here off of this break and retest, and then I also had a buy limit right here. So it was looking exactly like this. We had buys right here. I wanted my stop loss below this level just in case. And then at the same time, if price did want to come down to this level, I had a buy limit ready. Stop loss was a little bit below, and I targeted the high over here. So this is exactly what it looked like, and it played out. And I woke up to it this morning, playing out perfectly. It was great, right? Now, let me show you the rest of these trades and how simplistic this can be, okay? So let me show the rest of the trades that I took that some of them played out, some of them didn't. I took buys on AJ right here. I'm going to probably buy it when market opens on Sunday. Probably take it around 3:30 right here. Okay. Price is going up. Okay. It's going up. There's higher highs, higher lows. You can see the trend is going up. So what I did is I saw that when price was coming down, we could potentially get another buy, and it was right here. Price tapped it, went. I took my TP right here. Stop loss was down here, and that was it. That was literally it. Price is going up. Let me buy at this support level and take it up. Okay. I sold AN, and it was a loss, and I sold right here. Okay. Price was going down, and then price came back up to this big level. I sold right here. Price went to here and then reversed. Cool. Took an L. All good. It happens. It's life. I sold CAD CHF. If we look on the daily, price is overall going down. And what I saw was that we had this huge daily level that it was at. So I said, okay, let me sell. And my sells were like right here. Take profit was down here. It hasn't hit yet. Take profit is like right here. Stop loss is above these highs. But that's it. Sold at a resistance level, right? I bought CADJ, which was not a smart idea at the same time that I sold. I shouldn't have, but I bought at these daily levels. This would have played out, but I bought it when it came here. I bought and sold CAD at the same time, which was really dumb. Shouldn't have done that. And then it flipped and break a retest. I didn't catch any of those, but you could have caught sells right here and sells right here. That's my bad. I'm just inexperienced. So, oh, and I also took buys on EA. Price was going up. I bought at this big daily level, this big daily level, and I bought right here. So it was this entire level, and I said, okay, it looks, and it was discount too. It wasn't right here. It was right in the middle of the level, and I said, okay, I'm gonna buy it. Then it dropped. So lost that one. Took buys. Should have taken buys right here, but I didn't. All good. I did take ECAD buys, and it's currently in progress. I took it off of this daily level right here. This big daily level. This entire thing. Price is going up. Well, actually, it doesn't really look like it's going up. We had a break. We had a higher low. It's kind of looks like it's consolidation, but I kind of thought it was going to go up. Break of structure, higher low, pushing up, and then we had this breakout of this channel. I bought off the daily, and the targets are right up here, so probably will hit that next week. Euro CHF, I don't think I took these buys, but I should have. Price created this level of support. Should have taken buys right here. If price comes back down, I will take buys up to this daily level of structure. If it breaks or retests this, I will still take that right there. Nothing on those. EN, I took buys right here. I took buys off the support and lost. I thought price was going to go up. Thought price was going to go up. It created those higher lows, had a strong push up. I thought we were going to bounce. We didn't. Took an L. GA, buys were right here. Right off this level. There were buys right there. Went up, tapped it, went up. Beautiful. I am also looking to buy at these daily levels. If it does come, it kind of depends how it looks when it's coming down, but we'll probably buy there. GCAD, I took buys right here. Took buys right there, and boom, price went up. Also took buys here, lost. All good. Next week's setup, looking to take buys off of this level, break a retest. GBCs, we just went over that one. GJ, looking to take more buys if price comes back down and take it up to here for the TP most likely. GN, I took buys off the support level right here. I did take some buys off of that, so caught a little move off of that. Price came all the way back down to the support, took buys off of there, currently in progress. And now if price comes back down to this level, I'm going to take buys. And then NCAD, on the daily, the way I was looking at it is price pushed up, higher low, pushed up, higher low. So, okay, now price looks like it wants to go up. So then price came down, rejections, higher low, pushed up. I took buys right here. I took buys off of this break and retest of this level right there. I did have buy limits right here, but price went all the way up here. I was like, whatever. It hit my TP of this one, so I canceled this, and it came right back down. And of course, it would have played out, whatever. Now looking to take buys off of here. NCHF, looking to take buys, break a retest. It's going up. NJ was clearly going up. I took buys right here off of this level. So what it looked like was, oops. What it looked like was this. I looked at this, support, took buys, and then entry was something like that. Stop loss was something like that, and we took buys, and went all the way up and played out perfectly, just like that. Price is going up, we take buys off of support, and next week's setup, price is going down. I'm looking for it. Broke out of this bullish channel. Looking for it to break this and take it to the end of the TP or end of the channel. USD CHF sells. My entry barely missed. I saw it when it was like right here. Put up another sell limit, and then it just didn't go back up. All good. It happens. price is overall going down, right? And we can see price came back up, made a lower high, rejected that lower high, started pushing down. So I said, okay, let's look for sells. And then price created this level. Break retest was a beautiful trade, but just barely missed it. All good. And then UJ, I didn't see anything on UJ this week. But yeah, I mean, that's as like simplistic as it can be. All of these trades that I took, I just said, okay, well, I think price is overall trending up. Let me take buys off of support levels, right? Support, 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 support. Like there's not much to it. There's not much that goes into it besides the fact that prices go in a certain direction, and I just buy off of levels that are going to play in that direction. So if price comes back, like negates this level completely, right? I will have buys right here. But if price completely negates that, whatever, comes back down here, I'm going to buy here. Negates that, comes back down here, I'm going to buy here. Okay. Now, the reason why I think this works so well is because I am on the daily, I'm on the weekly looking for the direction. So just that alone is very likely to play out because I'm on the higher time frames and finding a higher time frame direction. It's likely to continue in that direction. I'm not on the 1 hour or the 30-minute. I'm on the higher time frames. And then I'm on the 4 hour or the daily, taking my buys and sells off of these support resistance levels. These are strong levels. If price came down to this level, I'd be shocked if it didn't get some type of bounce. If it came all the way down to this level and I took a buy, had my TP right there, stop loss like that, I'd be shocked if it wasn't able to at least go this far. You know, these are higher time frame levels. Support resistance on the daily, the 4 hour are strong levels to take buys off of. So when you're trading off of the entire direction of the market, and you're trading off of the levels on higher time frames, it's very likely to play out. It just makes everything super easy, super likely to play out, super simplistic. And I think if you're trading like this, you're probably going to have about like a 70%, 75% chance of price bouncing from that level or from the next level or whatever. It's very likely to happen. So this setup, I'm expecting to buy here. If it doesn't, I'll buy here. If it doesn't, I'll buy here, right? This, if it doesn't reject from this level, I'm sure if it comes down here, it'll bounce from this level, right? Like that's it. Price is just clearly going up in my opinion. If you look at the daily, higher low, it's pushing up. I'm going to buy. That's it. I see where the direction is on the daily. Let me go to the 4 hour and find a level, support level, and only a support level. I'm not looking to sell at all. I'm only looking to buy off a support level. And then I'm going to take buys off that. Whether that's a break and retest like this, or if that's a support level that's already been touched, it's just going to get another bounce from it. That's it. That's it. And, so last I've added that now to the trading, where I'm just trying to make it even more simplistic than it was before. Before it was only break and retest. Now I'm just going to add buying and selling off of regular old support levels and resistance levels. But that's it. That's as simplistic as it is. So the setups for this week, again, or next week. AJ, I'm expecting price to bounce from here because it's going up, right? EA, it might bounce from here because it's going up. I don't know. It contradicts AJ, but it looks like it could. Who knows? Euro CHF, expecting it to bounce from here. If it just completely breaks up above, then I'd be looking for something like this. And that would be the setup. Okay. GA, I'm expecting it to bounce from these daily levels. It could come back down here and bounce from this. I don't really know. It doesn't really have a super solid area that I want to enter at. Expecting it to bounce from here. If it doesn't, I'll buy it here. GCHF, just like I said. Same thing. Buy here or the level below or the level below it. Expecting it to bounce from one of them. GJ, I will buy here if it comes back. Entry and everything will look just like that. TP to the next level. Stop loss could probably be a little bit close. Could probably be like that. Maybe a 1 to 1.5. And that's it. And then, maybe if it creates a level right here, it would come up and start to bounce right here. I don't know why this is so slow right now. I'm going to do that. Maybe we can take it all the way up. But that's only if it creates a level and breaks it, retest above that. NCAD, we got this bounce. Looking to get another bounce, take it up to here, maybe even up here for the highs, the TP. Same thing there. US 30, I don't even trade this, but I did mark it up. It's completely bullish, completely bullish. Sells are really weak. I'm expecting it to come back down. I probably won't even take this trade, but we do have a support level here and here. If price comes back down to this level, I could easily see us taking buys and having something like this happen. And then UCAD, go to the daily. Price is going down. We have this big bullish channel, and then price rejected this level. Big strong push out. So what's probably going to happen is price is probably going to come up here and then start rejecting, and then this, and then it's going to happen with this, and then we're going to get that trade. But only if that happens will I take the trade. If that doesn't happen, then I won't even touch it. And that's it. And that's the most simplistic breakdown ever. And then if price does bounce here, I'm looking to take buys like that also. But only because price is just completely going up, and I don't see any reason to take anything else. So that's it, man. How to make money without even really having a strategy. OFX out.